If you're looking for a working Hostinger coupon code and a quick Hostinger review, here's how to get the best value. Hostinger currently offers deals on all plans, and when you go through my link in the description or scan the QR code, you'll unlock an extra 20% discount, along with 3 extra months added to your plan. In this Hostinger review, you get fast loading speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light-speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, so creating and managing your site is very straightforward. If the pricing isn't displayed in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and choose your country. The price updates instantly. Because of this balance of features and ease of use, Hostinger is often recommended as one of the best web hosting platforms, and every plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. So to activate the Hostinger coupon code, get the extra 20% off and 3 additional months, just tap the link below or scan the QR code.